Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel Living in Florida. My name is Jose Reyes, your real estate advisor here in the beautiful Sunshine State. And today we're visiting the Cameron Preserve community built by KB Homes, located here in Sanford, Florida. 40 minutes away from the city of Orlando and about 40 minutes away from New Smyrna Beach. You have a great location for this community and great options for families who are looking for a new construction home in the community with a low HOA and a no CDD, right? But today we're going to be taking a look at their 1989 model, which is one of my favorite models built by KB Homes, right? And they have one here that we're going to take a look at just behind me with tons of great features within the interior, giving you an idea of what you can do to personalize your home when purchasing with KB Homes. You may know or may not know that KB Homes does focus on the buyers personalizing their own homes, going to their design center and taking a look at all the options that they have for the features that you can add to your personal home to personalize it for you and your family. But great model, guys, something that you definitely don't want to miss, so I definitely suggest that you stick around. Let's go ahead and get this one started. Alright guys, so we're finally inside this beautiful 1989 model, and immediately as soon as you come into that front door, you have this nice long foyer here, which is again a feature that a lot of folks like in their homes because it gives you a separation between the front door entrance and the kitchen and the common area towards the back of the home, which we'll see throughout this tour. But immediately here to our left from that front door entrance, you have two bedrooms, which let's go ahead and take a look at that. First bedroom facing the front of the home. You're gonna see all the natural light that's coming in through those two windows that face the front of the home, which is absolutely wonderful when it comes to these homes. I'm a big fan of natural light, and I'm sure you guys are too. Plenty of space in this room for a full-size bed and some other decorations and furnishings as well. You do have a double pane tempered glass window, double wide window facing the front of the home, which again, bringing in that natural light. And you do have a nice size closet for all the clothes and items for this particular room. Now, moving on from this room, you do have a small little hallway connecting both bedrooms here and this nice full-size bathroom towards the front of the home. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. You do have a single sink vanity, under-mounted sink, which is a nice option that you can have for this home. You do have this nice combination tub and shower here as well. This one, they went with the insert, which I'm sure you can, in the design center, you can go ahead and change that for something else if you want some tile or something like that, but we can always go ahead and discuss that when you plan for your home in this community. But just outside of this bathroom, you have another bedroom, right? Kind of more or less the same size as the one that we just left. It's facing the front of the home. You do have a full-size bed staged within this one as well, so you can kind of get an idea of what the size you're working with here. You do have a window facing the side of the home that's going to allow some natural light here during the day. And of course, you have this nice closet with the sliding doors, just like in the other bedroom, that's going to provide plenty of space for all your storage space here. Now, moving on, we're going to go ahead back to this foyer area. Just shoot across this ways, we have another hallway where we're going to locate the laundry room here, right? So pretty standard sized laundry room. You do have space for the appliances or washer and dryer, and they give you this nice shelf up here so you can go ahead and store some items up there, like your detergents and whatnot. But one of the things that this builder does not give you is the washer and dryer. But it's okay, you can always find a good deal on a washer and dryer elsewhere when purchasing here in this community or with this developer. Now, moving on from this laundry area, we have another bedroom here. Total of 4 bedrooms for this home. This one is staged like an office. I've noticed that a lot of builders these days do have at least one room out of the home that's going to be staged as an office, since a lot of folks started working from home. They did a nice job with this one. You have a nice little desk, space for a small little chair here, and some more decor here towards the back, and a nice window facing the side of the home, again allowing that natural light into this bedroom. And this one does have a standard closet just like the other rooms also. But moving on from this bedroom, we're going to go ahead and leave the front area of this home, and we're going to go ahead and take a look at what this common area, this open space concept has to offer for us, right? And take a look at this beautiful common area. You do have a nice area here that's very spacious for entertainment. We know that the family room is usually the most occupied space in the home, and you definitely have a nice idea of what you can do with this space. And then you have this nice big wall where you can go ahead and set up your TV and entertainment system here as well. So definitely great ideas on this layout. It definitely has a lot of potential within this space. You do have the dining room over here towards the back, which, you know, we have plenty of windows back here, a lot of light coming in through the back slider door, and these two windows here in the corner of this home, giving a lot of natural light to this dining space, right? We do have towards the backyard, you do have a covered lanai option for this model, which they went ahead and staged with a little small table with a couple of chairs. You know, you can always go back there and just have a nice little barbecue setup, a little cooking area, or just have a place for you to kind of relax and unwind after a long week of work, right? Well, let's go ahead and take a look at the heart of the home, which is going to be this beautiful kitchen. Very, very spacious kitchen, if I might add. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this kitchen. You have a nice idea of what you can do within the design center for this builder. They have a nice big kitchen island that does have quartz countertop. You have this beautiful design here, nice color that they use for these. And I noticed that you do have soft close cabinets for this particular model as well. And you also have this wonderful nice farm style kitchen sink. But moving on from this kitchen, guys, let's go ahead and take a look at that primary bedroom, which is going to be tucked away towards the back corner of this house. And we'll take a look at this, guys. Very, very spacious primary bedroom. You have a nice big king size bed here, dead center in this room, so you definitely have plenty of space to roam around within this primary bedroom. And over here in the back corner, you do have this walk-in closet, which I know it's definitely something that a lot of folks take a look at when they're looking at homes. They want plenty of space within these closets. And let's not forget the primary bathroom. Very spacious primary bathroom here towards the corner of this room. You have this nice window that faces the side of the home, which is going to provide plenty of natural light. You have a 2-sink vanity here with under-mounted sinks, same style that we saw at the bathroom and towards the front of the home. And take a look at this combination tub and shower. You have this nice big soaking tub. Then you have this beautiful tile work here, which goes up about 3/4 of the way, but that's fine. You know, it does protect the majority of that wall. And you have that nice kind of like polished porcelain style tile back there. But yeah, that's pretty much going to do it for the tour of this home, guys. Let me know down below what you thought about this home. Let me know what features you liked or what features you didn't like, and what you can do without or what you would add to this home. But let's go ahead and get out of here. We'll go ahead and finish this tour. All right, guys, so that's going to do it for the tour of this beautiful 1989 model built by KB Homes here in their Cameron Preserve community in Sanford, Florida. What did you guys think about this beautiful home, guys? Let me know down below within that comment section. What were your favorite features, your less favorite features, what you can do without, or what you would add to kind of finish personalizing this home for you and your family? Let me know down below within that comment section. A great option for families who are looking for a new construction community with a low HOA and no CDD. The fact that you have that pool that's going to be built in the near future, plus that dog park to justify the payment of that HOA, definitely a great option for you and your family. The majority of this community is already built, but you do have some lots towards the back of this community, which does have a nice location for those lots. So you definitely want to look into that and take advantage of that before they're all gone, right? That being said, guys, if you do need representation to buy a home here in the Central Florida area, I'd be happy to assist you and your family. You can give me a call and contact me in the number that you're going to see here at the bottom of the screen. That's going to be my personal number, so I'd be happy to talk to you as soon as you go ahead and call me, right? I'm also going to leave a QR code around this area right here. That way you can scan that QR code with your smartphone. You'll have my number there again and other contact information for me, other ways to get a hold of me, and access to my Calendly calendar where you can go ahead and schedule a Zoom call with me as well. Other than that, guys, we're pretty much done with this tour. If you enjoyed this video, guys, feel free to like and subscribe. Let us know how much you like these videos that we're posting out for you, and we'd be happy to post some more for you in the near future. Other than that, guys, thank you once again for joining me on this tour. Take care of yourselves, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next video.